Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by ensuring prerequisites are met. Battery above 15% and the device model and OS noted because steps vary by version. Once done, perform a restart, long press power, choose restart. This often clears temporary glitches that trigger safe mode. Next, check whether volume buttons are stuck and gently clean the case and ports. Physical button holds commonly for safe mode. If safe mode persists after reboot, move to the targeted button and app checks in the next step. You now isolate the cause, disconnect accessories and remove the case, SD card, and any OTG devices, then reboot. This rules out hardware triggers. Once restarted, open settings and review installed apps. Safe mode disables third-party apps so you can spot recent installs. If a specific app caused it, uninstall that app and reboot. Make sure to clear cache for system launcher if problems continue. Sometimes a corrupted launcher cache keeps the device in safe mode until cleared. You finish by performing a normal reboot, long press power and choose restart, and confirm the device boots outside safe mode. If it remains, uninstall recent apps and clear the launcher cache, then reboot again. As a last resort, backup data and perform a factory reset. Do this only when other fixes fail because it erases data. If the phone still boots into safe mode, try booting to recovery with power plus volume up and run a cache partition wipe. This often resolves persistent boot mode issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.